How to send photos in TikTok message. So go ahead and open your TikTok and then click on the plus sign at the very bottom. So go ahead and click on upload and then select the video or photo that you want to share, and then go ahead and click on next, and then click on next again. So you can go over here where it says who can view this post, and then make sure that it's on friends, and then go ahead and click post at the very bottom, and then come back to your profile and click on the video or photo that you have posted, and then tap on the three dots at the very bottom, and then you'll see the option of share, and you can select which friend you want to send this video to or photo to, and you can go ahead and do that, but the option won't be available to you if it's a private video. So that is how to send photos in TikTok message.